Here's how to remove text from video without using a blur effect in CapCut. Start by dragging your video onto the timeline. Find the point before and after the text appears. Then split the clip. Click the part of the video without text, select Freeze, and drag it to the top of the original video where the text appeared. Click on the freeze clip, go to Video, then select Mask. Choose Rectangle and position it over the text to cover it. As simple as that. If this tip helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.